again with yellow dump truck. Let's hunting some toys. Wow, what is this? Wow, this is toys, guys. We got many toys. Let's hunting toys, guys. Let's hunting toys. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is blue car. Hey, cool. Let's find another. Wow, what is this? Red car. Cool. Let's find another. Wait, what is this? It's green car. Cool. Let's find another. Wow, another blue car. It's very cool. Let's find another. What is this? Wow, yellow car is very cool. Wow, empty, and then now the excavator. What is this, guys? What is this guy? Wow, this green car is very cool. Wow, what is this? Wow, red car. Cool. Another one. Whoa, what is this? Oh, it's yellow car. Wow, it's very cool. And then another one. Wow, what is this? It's another car, another race car guy. Cool. What is this guy? Red car. It's very cool. Another one. Wow, guys. What is this? Oh, it's white car, guys. It's very cool. Wow, it's orange car. It's very cool, guys. Another one. Wow, this is the last one, maybe. Black car. It's very cool. Empty. Wow. Oh, it's not another car. Look, guy. So many cars. Wow. We find many cars. Very cool. Look, guys, so many toys. We hunting lot of toys. One red car, two green car, and another green car, three car, four red car and yellow car, five, six red car. This is orange car, and then this is orange, another orange, and this is white car, blue one, and then this is yellow, and then this is blue, and then this is black. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wow, we find a 13 car. It's very cool.